Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the CRKT Ruger Knives LCK here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this, what's in the box. It's there's like this interesting liner lock. It's just regular box. It's the CRKT LCK Lurch Design Ruger. It's a nice liner lock. It's not too big, as this guy is gonna be measuring overall 7.5 inches with a 3.3 inch long blade and a 4.2 inch long handle. So not that big. It's like very compact, slim, slender. It's a frame lock with nylon reinforced scales, backspacer, stainless steel liners. It's a liner lock, of course. So there's I mean, something to love, especially for the price, because this guy is going to be around 50 bucks. And the design is pretty cool. I have to admit, I like it. It's a relatively cheap knife. It is employing HCR 13 MOV. It has interesting hollow grind. Look at that, reverse tanto, blacked out, murdered out everywhere, deep carry pocket clip, lots of screws going on the back spacer, no lanyard hole. I mean, I really like the design. The grip in the hand is quite good. There's also like a nice finger choil. The action, of course, this guy is running on washers, so there's not gonna be any action, let's say, like closing action, opening action, as long as you do like a light switch or like a determined push button, it's gonna open. Otherwise, you can easily fail this guy because of the pivot system, but it's pretty much good to go, especially for the price. It's nice and compact, slender. It's murdered out. There's a little bit of billboarding going on, but nothing too crazy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.